Bosses, check out this Apple cabin. The cabin extends out. Roll out with roller. Under with trailer chassis. Can be loaded into container. FRP walls are strong and durable. There are 2 charging ports. High chassis. Telescopic step. Overall 23 square meters. A bedroom, a living room. Bedroom with hidden cabinets. Flexible use of space. This is the kitchen and the bathroom. Custom cabinets for the kitchen. Cistern, socket, induction cooker. Overhead cabinet, convenient storage, range hood, extrapolated window, air conditioner, lamp, and ambience lights. Dry wet depart, non-slip floor, flush toilet, exhaust fan, shower head, wash stand, water pipe circuit in bulkhead, connects to city water, touch and voice switch. The storage space is only 10 square meters. Domestic haul out loading car, foreign transport removal chassis container shipment. Have Canton Fair site. Let's see the new house.